Hello again. Just a reminder that the videos in this series reflect the IELTS levels 6+. To achieve success by the end of this series of videos, you should be able to use a minimum of 1,500 words, both written and spoken, as conversational Australian English. This would deem you to be competent at a competent level of IELTS level 6. Focus here must be on coherence and cohesion, lexical resources, grammatical range and accuracy, fluency, pronunciation and response, and the use of varying levels of Australian English, that is, slang, colloquial, informal, and formal, as the situation and topics of the conversations dictate. You may be asked to express your opinion on the following topic, so you should be prepared to give your considered opinion as a response to the following topics in the next few videos. Fuel sources. Climate change is an ongoing issue throughout the world. Changing the way we manage our lives and use various products is required in order to achieve a net zero result in negative environmental impact. Across the world, there have been many countries that have moved away from oil-based fossil fuels for cars, for example, and the electric vehicle, the EV, has been applauded as a preferred model of powering vehicles. In Australia, we are dependent on coal as both a source of fuel for our power needs and also as a major export that contributes a very large portion of our national income. However, in 2023-24, the pressure is on to change the major source of our fuel from fossil fuel, such as coal and gas, to so-called natural fuels, such as wind and solar power. There is a large amount of hydroelectric power as a significant source of power, and this is being expanded. The discussion by the current federal government has not included nuclear power as a credible, safe, and reliable source of power. This, despite the science showing that it is by far the most environmentally friendly source of power for many reasons. The environmental impact of both wind and solar power comes from the deterioration of the actual components, and these are then left as unusable and unrecyclable byproducts. What is your opinion on the various options open to the Australian people with regard to sources of power for our everyday lives, both in the home, for production of goods and services, and for transport? In our next video, we'll be talking about more everyday issues in Australia that you may need to be able to talk about in an interview for your IELTS level 6+. Please continue to watch the next videos where you'll learn more conversational English and extend your knowledge and skills in Australian English, reading, speaking, listening, writing, and understanding. Can I ask you, if this content has been helpful, would you please subscribe to this channel? Many thanks, and hope you get to Australia one day.